In this video, we're going to consider the dot point, describe the motion of one body relative to another. So what we're talking about is relative motion. To find the velocity of object B relative to object A, subtract the velocity of object A. Today we've got Miss Betsy at the other end of the track and she's going to start running towards me. If you recall from a previous investigation, the avatars in Minecraft run at about 5.5 meters per second. Now, because she was running in a straight path and at a constant speed, her average speed is equal to her average velocity. Let's say that the track runs east-west, so she was heading west towards me. So her velocity was 5.5 meters per second west. It's important to note that a velocity of 5.5 meters per second due west is the same as minus 5.5 meters per second due east. Okay, this time we're going to run towards each other. My velocity relative to the ground is 5.5 meters per second due east as I approach Miss Betsy. Her velocity relative to the ground is 5.5 meters per second due west as she approaches me. But Miss Betsy's velocity relative to me is 11.0 meters per second due west. So using the information from this example, we can work out Miss Betsy's velocity relative to me. Firstly, let's make east positive, which makes Miss Betsy's velocity minus 5.5 meters per second east. So from the equation, Miss Betsy's velocity relative to me is 11 meters per second west. This time I'm going to set off walking and Miss Betsy is going to overtake me running. We're both going in the same direction, due east. This time, my walking velocity relative to the ground is 4.3 meters per second due east, and Miss Betsy's running velocity relative to the ground is 5.5 meters per second in the same direction. So since we're both going in the same direction, Miss Betsy's velocity relative to me is now only 1.2 meters per second east.